Let me guess, you wanted a smart home because it looked simple, clean and effortless. Lights turning on by themselves, things just working in the background. But when you tried at home, it didn't feel like that at all. Instead, you got confusion. Apps everywhere, notifications all the time, things not responding. At some point you probably thought, maybe I'm just bad at this. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Smart homes feel hard for most people. Not because they're stupid, not because they're bad with technology, they feel hard because most people start the wrong way. And once you understand that mistake, smart homes stop feeling complicated almost immediately. You watch a few videos online, everything looks perfect, one app, one tap, magic. But those videos skips the messy part. They don't show things breaking, they don't show apps fighting each other, they don't show the frustration. So you do what everyone does. You buy a few devices, lights, plugs, maybe a sensor or two, because they're cheap, because everyone says they're good. But nobody explains how they should work together. So you don't really build a smart home, you build a collection of smart devices, each one with its own app. Each one sending notification, each one asking for attention, and slowly you become the system. You open apps to turn on lights, you check notification to see what broke, you think before doing simple things. That's the moment where smart homes stop feeling smart. And this is where most beginners make the biggest mistake. Not because they are careless, but because nobody tells them to slow down. They automate everything at once, lights, motion, time, presence. It looks impressive on day one and confusing on the day two. When something stops working, you don't even know where to start looking. So you start fixing things, tweaking things, occupying your headspace with your automated... What the f is that? What is this? Why did you change a script? Oh my god. When something stops working, you don't even know where to start looking. You start fixing things, tweaking things, thinking about your smart home all the time. And that's the real problem. A smart home is not about control, it's about removing decisions. If you still open apps every day, if you still fix things every week, if you still think about automations all the time, your smart home is working against you. The solution is not more devices and it's definitely not more features. It's changing what you expect from a smart home. A smart home is not there to impress you. It's there to help you without asking for attention. That's why starting small matters more than starting smart. One room, one problem, one simple rule. When that works, you don't feel excited. You feel calm. And that's how you know it's right. Because the best smart home doesn't feel smart. It feels invisible. Lights turn on when you need them, things turn off when they should, and you stop thinking about it. That's the goal. So, if your smart home feels hard right now, nothing is wrong with you. You didn't fail, you just skipped the boring part. And that's where simplicity beats intelligence every time. If you're building a smart home right now, what's the one thing that feels the most confusing? Leave it in the comments, I read them all. And if you like videos about smart homes, subscribe. See you in the next one.